Making plantain and potato chips is very easy. After watching this video, I'm sure you're going to agree with me on that. And so friends, without wasting your time, let us start. So we're going to start with Irish potato chips. So after buying it from the market, you want to go ahead and wash it off clean using water. As you are washing it, pick out the bad ones if you find any. You can wash it for about 2 to 3 times, rinse and wash again, and then you're good to go. Next is to peel off the back. You can use potato peeler if you have. I couldn't find my own at this point, so I had to use my knife. As you're peeling the potato, make sure to not cut too much of the flesh, okay? Use the tip of your knife and remove every black spot that is left on the potato as shown in the video. Then go ahead and peel the remaining ones like that. When you're done peeling everything, go ahead and add in water and then rinse it off. Next is to get your cutter, and then we're going to slice this thinly. If you don't have this, I'm going to show you another way you can slice your potato. While doing this, be very careful not to injure your fingers or your hand, okay? So this is what you're going to get. See how beautiful and thinly it looks, right? But just in case you don't have this cutter, you can also use your knife and make sure to slice it as tiny as you can, as flat as you can. Can you see? Just the way I'm doing in the video. This is what you should get. It should be thinly flat, okay? So go ahead and do that. I'm just going to use my cutter and finish this slicing, and I'll meet you at the end. Keep watching closely. So when you're done, you want to rinse it off again using water. So go ahead and add in water inside, and then you want to rinse it off just once. You can do it twice if you prefer, but I'm just going to do mine once. So next, you want to get salt for taste. Add it inside. Add in water again, but you're not rinsing it off. Add in your water and then mix it together till it combines well. This is lemon juice. Add it in. If you have vinegar, go ahead and add it inside. It gives it that unique flavor and taste. Now leave it for a few hours for it to rest. This is after leaving mine for 1 hour 30 minutes. Get a strainer and then strain out the water just the way it's shown in the video. Now put it on top of a rubber or container for water to drain off for a few minutes. While you wait for it, get your frying pan, add in your oil, leave it to heat up for a few minutes, but don't forget to add in your onions, okay? So make sure to add in onions, bunch of onions like that. Then when the oil is hot enough, add in your potato inside. Make sure your oil is a bit above the potato, okay, so that it can fry well. While you're frying it, make sure you are stirring it from time to time so that it can fry evenly and it doesn't get burnt underneath. Keep watching closely, okay? If you have kids at home, please try and make this snack. They will appreciate you for life. And if you're the type that keep getting visitors now and then, please make this and serve them, and they will not stop coming to your house. So at this point, it's ready for me to take it out of the oil. But if you want it more golden brown, you can leave it a little bit longer. So after watching this process of potato chips, you agree with me that it's very easy to make, right? And if you are watching this video and you are looking for a small business idea, this would be a good one to start with. So why don't you go ahead and start something? You can start with this, with the little equipment you have in your home. And another beautiful thing about this recipe is that you don't need so much capital for you to start with. That little money you have at hand, you can start with it, okay? And guys, this came out really good. Can you hear the sound of the crispiness and the crunchiness of it? Now that we are done with this recipe, let us now go into the next one. Next is plantain chips. For this particular one, I'm using medium ripe plantain. You can also use ripe one or overripe one, and if you follow this process, you will still get the same results. So make sure to wash it off clean before cutting it, just the way I'm doing in the video. You can create a tiny decimal line like that and then peel off the back. So keep peeling it off, and then I will meet you at the end of the peeling. Hey! When you're done, again, you want to get your cutter and then go ahead and slice it as tiny as you can or as flat as you can. Again, being careful not to injure your fingers or your hand. And again, if you don't have that cutter, you can use your knife again and do this. Please make sure while you're using your knife, you're making sure that you're slicing it as flat as you can. If not, it's going to come out really thick and not crunchy at all. For this one, I'm going to be using charcoal burners. If you're using charcoal burner like me, make sure while doing that you have set up your fire. Then go ahead, get your frying pan and add in enough granules or vegetable oil inside. Then don't forget to add in your onions and then leave it to heat up for a few minutes. And while we wait for the oil to heat up, get your salt and add it inside for flavor or for taste. You don't need too much, just a little will do. And then you want to mix this together till it combines well. When you're done and your oil is hot enough, go ahead and add the plantain inside. If your plantain happens to be the overripe or ripe one or any type at all, make sure to stir immediately after adding in the plantain so it can separate from each other. And also do not forget to stir from time to time so that it can fry evenly and fry well. Another thing you should not forget is that the oil should be a bit above the plantains for best results. If you want to know when it's ready, you'll start to hear the sound of the crunchiness. But if you like yours golden brown, like I do, then you leave it a bit longer. And this is the perfect color for me, so I'm going to take it out at this point. I wanted it a bit spicy, so I went ahead to add this pepper or yajji inside, and then I'll mix it together for it to combine well. And guys, it came out really good. Do you not agree with me that it's easy to make? And this is another small business idea you can venture into to make yourself some cool cash. Or you can just make it for yourself, for your family, for your friends, for your neighbors, even for your enemies too. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, don't forget to like, comment and share. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Please do well to subscribe if you haven't done so. And if you have, thank you so much. God bless you. Take care of yourselves and I will see you in my next one. Bye.